Financial freedom, it's something we all dream of, but how do you actually achieve it? The truth is, financial independence isn't reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Anyone can reach it with the right steps. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 key milestones on the road to financial freedom and how you can start taking action today. The first milestone in your financial journey is solvency. This means being able to cover your daily expenses without relying on debt. If you're living paycheck to paycheck or constantly borrowing to get by, this is your first goal. Like Jane, you can achieve solvency by cutting unnecessary expenses, tracking your spending, and, if needed, finding additional income sources. It's all about ensuring that your income is enough to cover your obligations without depending on credit cards or loans. Once you've achieved solvency, the next step is stability. At this stage, you've eliminated high-interest debt, have a steady income, and started building a safety net for unexpected expenses. Building an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses is crucial. It prevents you from falling back into debt when unexpected situations arise. Budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary lifestyle inflation will keep you on track. Financial agency is the point where you no longer depend on a paycheck for immediate survival. You've either paid off all your debts or accumulated enough savings to cover them if needed. This stage gives you freedom of choice. You could quit your job today and not worry about money for the next several years. To get here, focus on eliminating debt, saving aggressively, and investing wisely. The key is to build assets that work for you so that your financial security isn't tied solely to your job. Financial security happens when your investments generate enough passive income to cover your basic needs, things like rent, food, and bills. At this stage, working is a choice, not a necessity. The key to security is diversification. Having multiple income streams from stocks, real estate, and other investments ensures that you're not reliant on a single source of income. The final milestone is financial independence, where your investment income not only covers your essential needs, but also fully supports your desired lifestyle. At this stage, you have complete freedom to work on what you love, travel, or spend time with family without financial worries. Achieving this requires ongoing financial management, smart investments, and keeping your expenses aligned with your goals. The earlier you start, the sooner you can get here. From solvency to independence, the journey to financial freedom isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible. Start by taking small, consistent steps, and over time, you'll build a future where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool for achieving your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial insights. Your journey to prosperity starts today.